Hi everyone, I am Kelly Shaffner. I want to welcome you. I have some ThredUp boxes. These are mystery rescue boxes to open today, and I thought I would turn the camera on. I have two of these boxes, have one bigger box and a small box that I did not order. I only ordered 3 rescue boxes because ThredUp came up with these new curated size-specific boxes. And there was one that's a women's wardrobe, which I ordered, and there was also a women's winter wardrobe, which I ordered 2 of those boxes. I'm going to put all the details on the screen here for you guys because I don't remember all of the details. What drew me to these boxes, you might be asking? I had credit. I like a surprise. But I also like that these are size specific. So I ordered these 3 boxes in my size, in hopes that maybe I will find something that I like. Now, check out the sizes before you order, if you order this for yourself, because I ordered a size medium, which was a size 10 and a 30 waist. I also ordered a size medium, which was a size 8 with a 29 waist. So just, check the details before you order. I literally have forgotten how to film a video, how to make a video. I do have a knife here so I can open this. I didn't cross out my name or anything like that. Yes, if you guys happen to see my address, please drop me a postcard, say hello. I'm glad you're here today, guys. I have been absent for a while. And okay, please. We have a note here. Hi there. Just wanted to say a big thank you for shopping with ThredUp during this special time of the year. I did order these boxes during the holiday season because I was kind of tied up. I had surgery, and I will go into more detail about that in a future video, but I just had time on my hands, had credit on my ThredUp account, and that is kind of the reason that I ended up buying these boxes. But and I also got this. Thank you for choosing used, and it says your ThredUp packaging. I really don't know. I'll look into this. You guys have probably seen that stuff in other people's videos, but this is what the inside of my box looks like. ThredUp changed their paper, which, okay. This is what the inside looks like. So I see a Lucky brand. I see a Loft. So what I don't know is if this is the winter wardrobe box or if this is just the women's box. One is winter and one was not season specific. So let's go through this and see if we can tell after looking at all the items. We'll start off with the Lucky brand, which is a size medium. First off, I love the colors on this because it does have a little red in it, which I like. This is a button front flannel top with a collar. It's got that button detail on the back of it. And it is a bit of a high-low, so these might look cute with leggings, which I don't wear a lot of leggings. In the winter box, they actually said something about like how leggings are a winter staple. Maybe they are. They're not for me. So, okay. If it's not a yes for me, if it's not a hell yeah for me, it's a no. So I will probably try this at the buy, sell, trade store. I may try it on, but it's not a hell yeah, so I don't think I should keep it. I love this color too. Okay, so I like the colors. This is extremely soft, extremely soft. LATC, designed in LA, enjoyed all over the world. LATC, I am not familiar with this brand, but I love how soft this button or zip front hoodie is. So it does look like it has a little bit of pilling, just a teeny bit. This is a rayon blend. I bet this is rayon spandex, polyester and spandex. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and sweater shave this. I'm going to keep this because I think I'm going to like that. I think I'm going to like this too. This is a Talbot's. This is an old Talbot's tag, size medium, orange. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. This is a quilted vest. I love this color though. This is like a rusty orange vest. Let's just make sure everything works. It does have, I like these zippers that go both ways, the two-way zippers, and it is lined on the inside. It does have interior pockets. I never, ever, ever wear vests, but I might wear this one before I sell it. Let's look at these jeans. Okay, what do you want to bet that these are skinny jeans? That's what I'm guessing, right? Guessing loft skinny jeans. I am correct. I am correct. Loft, kind of a medium to light wash, distressed, raw hem, skinny jean, distressed on only one of the pockets. These are a size 10, a size 30. My buy sell trade is not accepting any skinny jeans. I personally am not accepting any skinny jeans, and I might just send those back to ThredUp. They do look like they are in good condition. This I don't like. Right off the bat, I don't like these long cowl necks. I haven't worn them in years. I've tried them over and over and over again. Yeah, I am going to donate this one. This is an Old Navy, size medium. I do have a friend that is working on her graduate degree, and I'll see if she wants this before I donate it, because she's always looking for clothes to wear to work. These, I think these are a navy blue, and they feel like a cotton pant. They are by Banana Republic. They are a size 10. Do we have a style name on you? No, we don't. But again, we have like this skinny leg ponte knit. This is a stretch knit side zip. I love these pants. I do think that these are a very, very flattering, and they can look cute with like an oversized sweater and some flats. I don't think I'm going to keep those. There's more jeans in here. Will these be straight skinnies? I believe they will be. I believe these are also probably loft. They look skinny to me. Oh, these are Chicos. Chicos size 1. I have never tried on a pair of Chicos. You guys, are these? These might actually be more of like a slim straight. They do look like they are a high rise, and they, I might try these on. I might try these on. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. Is this a winter box? I don't know if this is a winter box or if this is just women's wardrobe. This feels cheap. It's Old Navy. It's a size medium. It's a long sleeve. This is black, long sleeve, black jersey knit, kind of swing dress. I'll try that one at the buy sell trade. I don't think they'll like it. I do like this. This is Express. Oh my gosh, though. The buy sell trade will probably take this one. I don't like it because it's a little bit short, a little bit cropped, but yeah, I do like this blouse. It does have tie detail on the cuffs there, button front, top. Yeah, I'll take that one to the buy sell trade store. I'm not going to wear it. Stitches and Stripes. Never seen that brand. Do you guys know anything about that brand? I like the color. This sweater feels worn, and I see something in the back. It's just a fuzz. It was not a, I don't know. It just looks worn to me. Yeah, Stitches and Stripes, size medium. I'll look up the brand and see if I learn anything new about this. It's nothing though. This is acrylic and nylon. It's made in China. I think this is nothing, and I will see if the buy sell trade store will take that. I feel like this is more than 12 items. Have you guys been counting? Anybody counting? Loft, size medium, This is kind of an older looking utility style brown jacket. I think this is kind of cute. Again, I think it's a little bit short. It's not a hell yeah. It's not a hell no, though. What is this? This is Gilly. Gilly is, this looks so similar. These two look so similar, which kind of bites. Gilly's a brand. It's a boutique brand. It's often sold in the subscription boxes. Stitch Fix, Wantable, Natalie Attired, all of those boxes. So I'm guessing it's cheap. This one actually is a cotton piece. It is interesting. It is just a lightweight, like cotton stretch blazer jacket, but it does have that kind of ruche detail in the back. It doesn't really move much. I don't particularly like that piece. I think I will try that at the buy sell trade. This is my last piece. Oh, like, let me get in close so you can see what, like, I'm looking at. It just, this looks like it was washed incorrectly. And I can sometimes bring this stuff back to life. Le Fée Verte. I just, I don't think this is going to be worth it. It's an older style sweater. It does have there is a way to close it up here. So I'm going to do that and we'll see if we can see it better. It just is very, very loved. It had a lot of love. So this is what it looks like. And I think this one right here is just a flat out donate. I wouldn't sell this because of the condition, and the buy sell trade store won't take that one. I wish ThredUp hadn't bothered. Let me count and see how many items they sent me. The total number is 13. I received 13 pieces. You guys, I'm looking at this. So I see a little outfit. I don't know if I'm going to like this outfit, but I'm going to put it together. These navy blue ponte pants with this flannel, Lucky Brand flannel. And then I'm going to try it with the vest. Okay, we're going to try this. It's not, the pieces all happen to be right there together, and I thought, why not? This is actually my favorite piece. I wish you could just feel it. It feels really soft. It does feel like one of those pieces, fast fashion, that is not going to wash very well. I can see that already, that it is not washing well, and I am going to wear it, though. I want to give this a little bit more life because it feels amazing. My cost of goods is just, it's under $5, over $4. I don't know. Let me know what you think about this. I did not receive a receipt in this box. I do want to open this small box because the two smaller boxes and this box all came together. And this reminds me a little bit of Stitch Fix, guys. Ta-da! There is my burrito. Let's see what this is. Is this winter box or is this more women's? This one looks more wintry to me. I might be wrong. First up, KNC, size medium. My son's name, his nickname is Casey. So I like that this top reminds me of my boy. Again, this is one that I'm going to see if my friend wants. I don't need that. I like the color of this one. Me-hole size medium. There it is. Never heard of this. This is just, I think this might be the winter box, guys, because this is a long sleeve, a little smocking at the sleeve. And that is a full, almost a balloon sleeve. I like the length of this top, so I'm going to go ahead and try that one. Then we have, oh no, it's a skirt. Maybe this is women's wardrobe. It's a Tahari though, Tahari skirt. just a pencil skirt. It's a longer length. Let me see if it's anything fancy. We've got, it's a wool skirt, wool and elastane. So it's a great size, size 10. And this one has got a lot of lint on it. Fits right in my house. And this one is Under Armour, size medium. What is that paper? So what is this? It's a quarter zip, Under Armour, and the almost looks like men's to me. But oh, I think it might, I don't know, maybe it says heat gear. I was going to say, I think it says men, but it's pretty worn on the tag right there. But you can see how it's like straight up and down, which is generally men. So I will probably try that one at the buy sell trade. So that made 17. I'm kind of guessing that these 4 pieces, this skirt, and I'm guessing that all of these pieces are part of the other box. Did they just not have a box big enough to send the full 12-piece order? I don't know. You guys will be able to tell by the title of this video if this is the women's wardrobe that I have just opened up or if this is the women's winter wardrobe that I have just opened up. I'm going to crack open the next box right away, but I will make another video. So make sure that you are subscribed if you are interested in seeing what else I got, and I will see you very soon in the next video. Thank you for joining me. Blessings to all.